After every kill, I increase my U.S. aircraft's decade. Current decade, 1930s. This guy did not want to die. He was eating my bullets like it was a meal. This aircraft is maybe the most iconic plane of World War II. It's simply a fantastic fighter. Now we're already at jets. It's crazy how fast planes evolve. Back in the day, this Phantom used to rule top tier. It was simply a monster. That guy just got obliterated. The Warthog's gun is just too powerful. In case you're wondering, this specific F-16 variant did come out in the 1990s. It's called the Block 50.